Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our chapter 2 from the book Honeydew. Your second chapter is the tsunami. Before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you what is a tsunami basically. Basically, a tsunami is a catastrophic ocean wave usually caused by a submarine earthquake, an underwater or coastal landslide, or a volcanic eruption. In simple words, you can say a tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. So let's start the chapter. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. In 2004, on 26 December, there was a tsunami. Basically, it hit the Thailand, but it affected India also because it hit the parts of India like the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. Now, after the tsunami, some people were left. They were the survivors of the tsunami. मीन्स जो सुनामी के बाद भी कुछ लोग जीवित बच गए थे, उन्होंने अपनी करेज की जो बहादुरी थी उनकी उसकी स्टोरीज लोगों को बताएं एंड दे शेयर देयर एक्सपीरियंस. Did animals sense that a tsunami was coming? Some stories suggest that they did. अब कुछ लोग ये कहेंगे कि क्या एनिमल्स के पास भी सेंस था उस सुनामी को फेस करने के लिए. तो जो स्टोरीज से उनसे हमें पता चलता है कि येस the animals also faced that tsunami and they had sense to feel that. Now let's start the first story, first part of this chapter. These stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Archipelago means a group of many islands and the surrounding sea. These all are the stories from Andaman and Nicobar. Now first story is about Ignatius. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. Now what happened with him? It was the time of 6 a.m. His wife woke him up. Why she woke him up? Because she felt an earthquake. Definitely, if there will be a thing like earthquake, any of the family member will try to wake up others so that they can save their lives, as his wife did. Now, Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground. Why? Because we all know television is a very sensitive article. If it will be fallen due to earthquake, it will be broken. So that was the reason Ignatius put it down on the ground. And after that, the whole family rushed out of the house. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising. In the chaos and confusion, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. Now what happened? When the tremors stopped. Tremors means जो बहुत तेज बहाव की लहरें थी उनके लिए यूज़ किया गया है. Tremors means a slight shake. Earth tremors, the earth shake during an earthquake. This was the shaking of earth. जब अर्थ शेक थोड़ी देर के लिए रुकती है, अर्थ की शेकिंग, द ट्रिमर्स स्टॉप्ड. दे सॉ द सी राइजिंग. तब उनको रियलाइज़ होता है कि धीरे धीरे जो सी लेवल है वो बढ़ रहा है, पानी उनकी तरफ आ रहा है. इन केव्स एंड कन्फ्यूजन two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father. Now mother's father means Nanaji and mother's brother means Mama. So there were 5 children of Ignatius. So out of those 5 children, 2 children in chaos and confusion held their grandfather's hand and uncle's hand and rushed in opposite direction. He never saw them again. Who? Ignatius never saw them again. Why? Because they all were swept away by the waves, and his wife was also swept away. Only the 3 other children who came with him were saved. Now he and his 3 children, who all were together, they were saved, and rest were swept away by the sea waves. Swept away means जो समुद्र की तेज बहाव था, लहरें थी, वो उनको अपने साथ बहाकर ले जाते हैं. Turn your page. Now this is the another story. It is of Sanjeev. Sanjeev was a policeman serving in Kachal Island of the Nicobar group of islands. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves, but then he heard cries for help from the wife of John. Now what happened with Sanjeev? Sanjeev was a policeman. He was serving in the Kachal Islands, which was a group of Nicobar Islands. Now he somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his daughter from the waves. But suddenly what happened? He heard the cries of someone. Now he noticed it was the cries of John's wife, the guest house cook. Now Sanjeev tried to help her, but unfortunately he was unable to rescue her, and they both were swept away by the sea waves. But rest his family was saved. Now another story is of Meghna. 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they didn't see her. Now what happened to Meghna? He was swept away along with her parents. अपने माता पिता के साथ वो लहरों में बह जाती है. And 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea. और वो 2 दिन तक लगातार समुद्र में पानी के ऊपर बहती रहती है. How she was capable or how she was alive? Because she was holding on to a wooden door. अब wooden door को उसने पकड़ रखा था, उसके ऊपर बैठी हुई थी. So she didn't sink. तभी वो नहीं डूबी. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead. Now you many times notice whenever there is a disaster, some rescue helicopters are there from government side. So she saw the helicopters many times, but unfortunately the person who was supposed to rescue them, they didn't notice her. She was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a daze. Now जब लहरें उसको बहाकर ले आती हैं तो वो समुद्र किनारे अपने आप को वॉकिंग फाउंड करती है, बट शी वॉज नॉट इट कंप्लीट सेंस. डेज मीन्स शी वॉज अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द होल थिंग और शी वॉज नॉट प्रॉपरली कॉन्शियस. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टोरी इज अबाउट अल्माज जावेद. वॉज 10-year-old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Her mother Rahila's home was in Nankauri Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. Whole the family was there to celebrate Christmas, and she was a student of Carmel Convent, and they were in Port Blair. When the tremors came early in the morning, the family was sleeping. Alma's father saw the sea water recede. He understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. He woke everyone up and tried to rush them to a safer place. अब क्या होता है, अल्मास के फादर नोटिस करते हैं सुबह उठ के कि बहुत तेज़ से जो सी वाटर है उसका लेवल बढ़ रहा है और पानी हमारी तरफ को आ रहा है। लेकिन उससे पहले वो क्या नोटिस करते हैं, अल्मास फादर सॉ द सी वाटर रिसीड। रिसीड मीन्स वो पानी को पीछे जाता हुआ देखते हैं। और वो किस चीज़ की पहचान होती है कि अगर पानी एट द टाइम ऑफ सुनामी या जो सी वेव्स हैं वो पीछे को जा रही है, इट मीन्स दे विल सून कम बैक विद ग्रेट फोर्स, कि वो वापस आएंगी और उस टाइम पे उनकी जो फोर्स होगी, जो प्रेशर होगा वो और ज़्यादा तेज होगा। सो द वाटर वुड कम रशिंग बैक विद ग्रेट फोर्स। ही वोक अप एवरीवन, वो सबको उठा देते हैं जल्दी से, एंड ट्राई टू प्रोटेक्ट देम एंड ट्राई टू टेक देम टू अ सेफर प्लेस। एज दे ran, her grandfather was hit on the head by something and he fell down. Her father rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them away. Now what happened? He tried to protect his family and definitely he was successful, but suddenly he noticed that Alma's grandfather was hit on the head by something and he fell down. So Alma's father tried to help his father and to protect him, but unfortunately he was unable to do so. A giant wave means a very strong wave came and they both were swept away, और वो उन दोनों को बहाकर अपने साथ ले जाती है। Alma's mother and aunts stood clinging to the leaves of a coconut tree, calling out to her. A wave uprooted the tree and the two were washed away. Almaz saw a log of wood floating. She climbed onto it, then she fainted. When she woke up, she was in a hospital in Camorta. From there, she was brought to Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still traumatized. Now what happened to Almaz? Now Almaz's mother and aunts stood clinging. Clinging means they kept holding the coconut tree, to the leaves of the coconut tree, calling out to her. Now her mother and aunts were calling Almaz. But suddenly what happened? A strong wave came and it uprooted the tree. जिस ट्री से अल्मा की जो आंट्स होती हैं और जो उसकी मदर होती है, उस ट्री के सहारे वो अपनी जान बचाए होती हैं, उसी पूरे के पूरे ट्री को एक स्ट्रॉन्ग वेव आके बहाकर ले जाती है। एंड दे टू वर वॉश्ड अवे, और उसके बाद वो दोनों भी पानी में बह जाते हैं। अल्मा saw a log of wood floating. She climbed onto it, then she fainted. When she woke up, she was in a hospital. Now how she saved her life? She climbed onto a log of wood. उसको एक लकड़ी का पीस मिलता है, लॉग मिल जाता है वुड का, जिसके सहारे से वो फ्लोट करके किनारे तक आती है। बट शी वॉज फेंटेड लेटर, लेकिन बाद में वो क्या हो जाती है, बेहोश हो जाती है। शी लॉस्ट हर कॉन्शियसनेस। When she woke up, she was in a hospital in Camorta. From there she was brought to Port Blair, और फिर उसको वापस वहाँ से पोर्ट ब्लेयर लाया जाता है। The little girl doesn't want to talk about the incident with anyone because it was very scary for her. It was very sensitive matter, so she didn't want to talk anyone in this regard. She is still traumatized. Traumatized means it greatly shocked her. It was a great shock. Definitely it will be a great loss for her because she has lost her father, mother, all the family members. So she was traumatized, greatly shocked and distressed. Thank you everyone. In next video I will explain you second part of chapter 2, the tsunami. Thank you.